The idea of establishing the farm is to grow or to farm bait fish. The actual procedure in growing bait is for us to receive fry from fry collectors, and the fry is allowed to grow for about 10 weeks, by which time it is good size for bait. And usually when there are orders from the National Pond and Line Fishing Company, we just simply harvest the fish, the bait fish, keep them in the cages, and then ship it to the pond and line fishing vessels.
The live bait fish triggers a feeding frenzy in the school of tuna, and they will bite on anything silvery and glittering, including the unbaited fish hooks. The water sprayed onto the surface contributes to exciting the fish and also prevents them from seeing the ship and the fishermen. Maritime resources are also the main basis for the developing industry of tourism. Around Christmas Island, where most tourists go, the game fishing is extraordinary.